Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about one important electronic component, capacitors. So in this video we are going to see what is a capacitor and what is the need of capacitor. So now how the capacitors looks like. So these are the different types of capacitors available in the market. Now can you able to find out the capacitor? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 capacitors in this board. I hope now you can able to identify the capacitor. Now there comes the question, what is capacitor? So this is the appearance of capacitor. We can compare the capacitor with battery because capacitor also stores electric charge. It is like battery except it stores energy in different way. So how it stores? Capacitor stores the charge in electric field, whereas battery stores in terms of chemical reaction. Battery store the energy because of chemical reaction. And in terms of storage, the battery have more storage compared to capacitor and charge and discharge faster than battery. So the advantage of capacitor is the charging and discharging time is fast. Even though the storage is less, the charging and discharging time is faster than battery. And these are the comparison between capacitor and battery. Now, what's the need of capacitor? So, in order to understand the concept, we have to think this water analogy. First, think of this water pipe. Now, this water flows until we shut the valve. Let the water flow into the tank. Now, this tank will store some sort of water. Assume this outlet is always open. From the outlet, we will get the water flowing out of tank. Let us assume the outlet is always open. Now we close this tap valve. So this water stop pouring into the tank. There is no water flow from the tap to the storage tank. Even though the tap is closed, we will get the continuous supply of water at the end of this outlet. Here you can see there is no water flow from the tap, but from the outlet we can get the continuous supply of water. As long as there is no water in the tank, it means that as long as we do not completely empty the tank, it is possible to get an uninterrupted supply of water at the end of outlet even though the tap is closed. So this tank can be used to store water and also it is used to smooth out the interruption. At the end of this outlet, we get the continuous supply of water until this tank emptied. So with or without supply of water, we get continuous standard supply of water. It is obtained until the tank is empty. So in electrical circuits, the capacitor acts as water tank. It means that it stores energy and it smooths out the interruptions from the supply. So to say example, in this we can see we are having one capacitor called a smoothing capacitor. So these are the two types of waveform. The waveform below is the waveform without capacitor. So you can see so many interruptions are there. But the darker line waveform is the waveform with capacitor. The interruptions are reduced. So it is the main application of capacitor.